Breakfast Time at the Pet Store, written and illustrated by Kat McNulty. I would use this book as a teaching aid to introduce basic addition and perhaps subtraction, or parents could use this video to read to their children as a bedtime story that incorporates math. It's early morning at the pet store, and that means it's time to feed the animals. MC the cat is in charge of feeding all the animals, but she needs some help. Let's help MC figure out how many animals she has to feed. First, we start with the guinea pigs. There is 1 mommy and 4 babies. How many guinea pigs in total does MC have to feed? Let's think. What is 4 plus 1? You can use the picture to help you figure out the answer. So with students, I would recommend counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 babies, and 1 mommy. Then you can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ferrets are happy and ready to eat. There are 2 ferrets. MC has already fed 1 of them. So how many more does she need to feed? What is 2 minus 1? For this, I would simply say, she has already fed 1. Cover that one up. How many more does she have to feed? Let the child tell you there's 1 ferret left, so MC only has to feed 1 more. There are lots of rabbits in the cage, but some of them are hiding. MC needs help. Count all the rabbits in the picture. This is just a fun counting activity for kids, so you could count with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ask the children if they see any more. 1 more. There are 5, so you would count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 2 bird cages, and they each have 2 birds inside. How many birds in total does MC need to feed? Let's think. What is 2 plus 2? Again, we would count. Now, there's 1 hidden back here, so you might have to help your child or your students find the bird. But once you do, you simply count. 1, 2. We have 2 now. Let's look at the other cage. 1, 2. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 2 plus 2 equals 4. There are 4 birds that need to be fed. Now it's time to feed Sammy, the bearded dragon. Sammy gets 10 worms a day. Sammy has already eaten 5 worms. How many worms are left? Let's think. What is 10 minus 5? Now, for this, we didn't actually want to show the worms, but this is a great way to use your fingers as the worms. You would show both hands, and then take one of your set of fingers away and count up the fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sammy still has to eat 5 worms. Or you could use string or anything else as a representation of the worms. If you're really brave, you could even use real worms. There are lots of goldfish in the tank that need to be fed. Use the picture and help MC count all the goldfish. This is similar to the previous pages where you would have to count the rabbits, but now you're counting the fish, and the number's a little bit higher. So you'd count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let your child show you all the fish. Look at all the red ear slider turtles swimming around. MC is going to need help counting all these turtles. Use the picture to help MC count all the turtles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, this is a great way for kids to explore. And you're using animals, so it's a great way to keep kids engaged. Now it's time to feed the snakes. There are 2 white-colored snakes, 1 gray snake, and 1 red and orange snake. How many snakes in total does MC need to feed? Let's think. What is 2 plus 1 plus 1? And you could count all the snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 snakes. Wow, this has been a busy morning, and it looks like MC is ready for a nap. Thanks for helping MC feed all the animals in the pet store. This book would be ideal for the end of kindergarten or early grade 1.